Okay, we have a He&M Universal Vertical Bandsaw model V100LM-3. Machine is new in 2011. It's 18-inch by 22-inch height. The machine has power tilt, 45 degrees in both directions. We're going to run her for you. He's running the blade right now. The blade is variable. You can see it on the display that has digital display for the blade speed. It's an 1.25 inch diameter blade. We're running the blade in, so he's feeding it in. All right, he's wrapping him back out. We're going to show you the power. That's the guide height. You got power guide. It's the power tilt. Again, you have a digital display for the tilt. And the VISE. You have an air actuated VISE. There you go. So you saw the VISE, you saw the power guide, you saw the power tilt, you saw the blade variate, and you've seen everything. Thank you for watching our video.